Galaxy Tab S10, a portable powerhouse for content creation. Unleash your creativity. So Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus isn't just a tablet, it's a canvas for your imagination. With its stunning 12.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2x display, every stroke, every color, and every detail comes to life. The included S Pen transforms your tablet into a digital sketchbook, perfect for artists, designers, and note-takers alike. Performance that keeps pace, powered by a robust processor and 12 GB of RAM. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus effortlessly handles demanding tasks, from streaming 4K videos to running multiple apps simultaneously. The 256 GB of storage ensures you have ample space for your creative projects and media library. Immersive entertainment. Lose yourself in the world of entertainment with the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. The vibrant display and powerful speakers deliver an immersive cinematic experience. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or playing the latest games, this tablet delivers. Key features: stunning display, 12.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2x display for vivid visuals, powerful performance, flagship processor, and 12 GB RAM for seamless multitasking. Creative freedom. S Pen included for note-taking, drawing, and more. Long-lasting battery. Power through your day with the long-lasting battery. Sleek design, premium build quality, and stylish design. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is a versatile device that caters to both productivity and entertainment needs. Its powerful performance, stunning display, and included S Pen make it an ideal choice for creative professionals, students, and anyone who demands the best. Let's see what's inside the box of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. Don't forget to like and subscribe us at the end of this video.